So, guys, so very good morning to everyone who came here to visit the video. So, first video பார்த்திருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். First video I have taught you classification of numbers. Continuation of that, today we are going to discuss the next topic. So, the topic for today is going to be very easy. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We'll call it by the term operations in maths. Okay. சரி, நான் இங்கே இருக்கிறவங்கள்ட்ட உங்களுக்கு அடிஷன் தெரியுமான்னு கேட்டேன், எல்லாருக்கும் கை தூக்குவேன். சப்ராக்ஷன் தெரியுமான்னு கேட்டால் எல்லாருக்கும் கை தூக்குவேன். மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனும் தெரியும். பட் ஆனால் டிவிஷன்ன்றவங்க சிலவங்க சார் கொஞ்சம் டிவிஷன் கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம் தான் சொல்லியிருக்கோம். The thing is that if you know basic things like divisibility rules, divisibility shortcuts, it's very easy. Okay, as already said you, the topic for today is going to be divisibility shortcuts. ஒரு காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம், ஒரு பிளேஸ்மெண்ட்ஸ் எதாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, இதில் எப்படி சார் கொஷின்ஸ் கேட்பாங்க இந்த டாபிக்ஸில்? டிவிஷன் அது எப்படி சார் கொஷின் கேட்பாங்க? சிம்பிளான விஷயம் தான், ஏதோ ஒரு பெரிய நம்பர் கொடுத்துட்டு இது ஏதாவது அதில் டிவைட் ஆகுமா, எஸ் ஆகுமா, இல்லை ஏதாவது ஒரு மிஸ்ஸிங் நம்பர் கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுவாங்க, அப்படி தான் அதில் கொஷின்ஸ் வரணும். ஓகேவா? இதில் நான் எப்படி சொல்லணும்னா, எனக்கு வந்து ஆன்சர்லாம் தேவையில்லை. நான் ஒரு நம்பர் கொடுத்துட்டு இது டிவைட் ஆகுமான்னு கேட்டால் நீ ஆமாம் இல்லை அது மட்டும் தான் சொல்லணும். ஓகே ஓகே சரி, நம்ம இன்னைக்கு என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா, ஐ வில் பி டீச்சிங் யூ த பேசிக் கான்செப்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் divisibility ரூல்ஸ், followed by we will be moving into sums and divisibility rules. Okay, so we will start with the thing. So as already said you, the topic today we are going to deal is going to be divisibility rules. So we'll start with the basic number 1. So we know that all numbers are divisible by 1. All numbers are divisible by 1. So we'll go with the next number 2. அது ரொம்ப ஈஸி தான் சார். ஈவன் நம்பர் எல்லாமே 2 ஆல் டிவைட் ஆகும் சார். அது எப்படி சொல்லலாம்னா, லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட் should be divisible by 2. சார் இதுக்கு என்ன சார் அர்த்தம்? ஏதோ ஒரு நம்பர் எழுதுறேன்னு வச்சுக்கோ. லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட் should be divisible by 2. லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட் மட்டும் 2 ஆல் டிவைட் ஆச்சுன்னா the entire number is divisible by 2. So starting with next number 3, நம்ம பொறுமையாக பார்க்கலாம். and go with 4. last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. இதுக்கு என்ன சார் அர்த்தம்? இந்த லாஸ்ட் 2 டிஜிட் 4 ஆல் டிவைட் ஆச்சுன்னா இந்த ஃபுல் நம்பருமே 4 ஆல் டிவைட் ஆகும். சரியா? சரி, நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்பர் வில் கோ வித் 8. ஸோ ஃபார் 8, last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. சார் இது என்ன சார் அர்த்தம்? இங்கே நான் 2 எடுத்திருக்கேன், இங்கே 3 எடுத்திருக்கேன், இங்கே லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட்னா லாஸ்ட் ஒரு டிஜிட். இதுக்கு என்ன சார் அர்த்தம்? இட் மீன்ஸ் தட் I need to write this as power. So I can write this 2 power 1. So this can be written as 2 square. This can be written as 2 power 3. Is it clear what I have mentioned? The power here will be reflecting here. The power here will be reflecting here. Okay, என்ன பவர் எதுக்கணும் அது எல்லாமே இங்கே வரும். சரியா? சரி. So the same thing is implemented for 5 also. The same rule will be implemented for 5 also. 5 table is very easy, right? 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. So இதில் வந்து நான் என்ன டிக்ளேர் பண்ணலாம்னா, லாஸ்ட் டிஜிட் is 0 or 5. So stepping with 25, we can write it as the same thing what we have done in 2, we have write it 25 can be written as 5 square. So which means that last 2 digits should be divisible by 25. Okay, so what will come for 125? So it's very easy, right? So it can be written as 5 cube. So last 3 digits should be divisible by 125. Okay, for 2 and 5 the same thing. So we'll go with next number 3. For 3, the rule is going to be sum of digits should be divisible by 3. So at last I will get the results as 3, comma 6, comma 9. Sir, புரியல சார், ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிளோட கொடுங்க சார். So I'll go with an example. So we need to check the following: which number is divisible by 3. Sum of digits, now we need to add the following: 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. If I add the following, I'll get 3 plus 3 6. So 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 3 15. Again I add the following, so 1 plus 5, it gives me 6. The same rule is implemented for 9 also. So it's nothing but SOD by 9. At last I need to get the result as 9. So going with an example, you need to check whether the number is divisible by 9 or not. So adding the following: 1 plus 8 plus 2 plus 7 plus 0 plus 9. So if I add the following, I will get the result as 36. So if you want, I can continue the process by adding this 3 plus 6, which gives me the result as 9. Okay. Okay. So going forward with the next thing. So I have completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next number is going to be 6. So there is no specific rule for 6. It should satisfy, follow the rule 2 and 3. You know what is rule 2, right? Last digit should be divisible by 2. Rule 3, sum of digits should be divisible by 3. So 7 is a prime number, the rule will be somewhat different. So it's nothing but last digit, we need to multiply with 2, we will get some result. The result should be subtracted from remaining digits. Okay, so we'll go with an example. Let's take 57, which is divisible by 7. So we'll solve this. So 7 into 2, and get the answer 14. This 14 need to be subtracted from remaining digits. So here at last I will get the answers like 0 or multiplications of 7. So I need to subtract from remaining digits. 35 minus 14, which gives me the answer 21. So if you know 7 table, you can stop, or else you can continue this process. So in terms of 21, taking the last digit 1 into 2, it gives me the result 2. Subtracting 2 minus 2, I will get the result as 0. Okay, this is clear. Okay, so I have completed for 8. So 9 is also over, so we'll go with 10. For 10, the rule is going to be last digit should be 0. Very easy, right? Oh. For 11, the rule is going to be difference between sum of alternative numbers is 0 or multiplications of 11. Okay, so take an example. You need to check whether the following number is divisible by 11. So they have mentioned difference between sum of alternative numbers. So add the odd place numbers 2 plus 2 plus 4. The meaning of odd place numbers is that 2 is in the first position, again 2 is in the third position, again 4 is in the fifth position, minus even place number 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so writing the second, fourth, and sixth. So subtracting this 8 minus 8, which gives me the result 0. So the given number is divisible by 11. Okay. If they ask you like terms like after this, like 22, so it can be written as 11 into 2. It will satisfy the rule of 11 and 2. 33, it can be written as 11 into 3. It will satisfy the rule of the following. Okay. The same thing like 12. So 12 can be written as 4 into 3. Okay. So is it clear? So we will see the remaining prime numbers like 13, 17, 19, how the rule is going to be implemented. For 13, the rule is like when you take the last 3 digits, the last 3 digits need to be subtracted from remaining digits. When you take the last 3 digits, so it need to be sub from remaining digits. Sub from remaining digits. So can give an example for this. Like take number 62257. We need to check whether number is divisible by 39. What is the last three digits? 257 minus remaining digits. 62. I'll get the answer 195. I'll get the answer 195. So solving this 195 divisible by 13, I'll get the answer like quotient. So which I'll get 15. The remainder for this is going to be 0. Is clear? So we need to take the last three digits. We need to subtract from the remaining digits. So stepping with the next prime number 17. So for 17, we need to take the last digit. We need to multiply with 5. We'll get some result. The result we need to subtract from remaining digits. We need to subtract from remaining digits. So let's go with an example for this. Let's take the example 357 divisible by 17. 357 divisible by 17. So following the rules, 7 into 5 will get the answer 35. At last, I need to get the things like 0 or multiplications of 17. Subtracting this 35 minus remaining digits, 35 minus 35 it gives me the answer 0. Okay, understood? Okay, so moving to the next thing, 19. The rule for 19 the same like 7. So when you take the last digit, we need to multiply with 2. So we'll get some result. In this case, what we have done is that we have subtracted in terms of 7. Here we will add with remaining numbers. Add with remaining numbers, remaining digits. So at last, I'll get 0 or multiplications of 19. Multiplications of 19. Okay. Let's check this an example for this. Take the number 399. Let's take the number 399. So continuing the process like 399, we need to check whether the number is divisible by 19 or not. Continuing the process. So the last number is going to be 9. We will multiply with 2. We get the answer as 18. This 18 need to be added with the remaining digits 39 plus 18. We'll get the answer 47, 57. So 39, 49, 57. Continuing the process, last digit 7 into 2. 7 into multiply 7 into 2, we get 14. This 14 need to be added with the remaining digits 5 plus 14. This gives me the answer 15. Okay. நம்ம இது வரைக்கும் பார்த்தது concepts. Okay. If you have any doubts in concepts, kindly comment in the comment section so that I'll be giving you clear idea in the concepts. Okay. We'll move forward with the next thing. We'll solve the sums now. சரியா? I hope so the concepts is clear. Concepts doubt undana just type in the comment section. I'll be giving you the detailed explanation of the concepts. Okay. Let's see the next thing. Let's see with the first question. They have given you 1, 2, 4, 7, 3 is divisible by 9. So they have given some dash. We need to find the dash. இது ஒரு type of sum. ஓகேவா? ஏதோ ஒரு dash கொடுத்துட்டு அந்த ஒரு dash fill பண்ண சொல்லுவாங்க. We'll solve the following. So they have given you 1, 2. The question is going to be they have given the question as 1, 2, 4, 7, 3 dash divisible by 9. தான கொஸ்டின் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. 1, 2, 4, 7, 3 dash divisible by 9. Okay, so we will solve the following here. Okay, So we know that rule for 9 is going to be so SOD by 9. SOD by 9. SOD in a sum of digits. So we need to have the following. We'll take the missing term as x plus 7 plus 3 plus x. And that one 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 3 17. I'll get the number 17 plus x. So what number in terms of 9 table which is divisible by 9 adding with 17? Okay, let's take if I put x is equal to 0, I'll get the number 17 plus 70 plus 0, which gives me the answer 17. Whether 17 is divisible by 9? No, right? Let's go with the next number, x is equal to 1. So from adding to 17 plus 1, which gives me the result 18. 18 is divisible by 9. Yes, right. I'll get the quotient 2, remainder 0. So the answer for this question is going to be x is equal to 1. We'll check the answers. So for this question, I have got 5 on the value of x is going to be 1. Is it clear? Okay. So we'll go with the next question, second question. So they have given you 3, 6, 4, 1, 2 dash divisible by 33. We'll solve this. In question, they have given you 3, 6, 4, 1, 2 dash divisible by 33. So as already said you 33, we can write it as 7 into 3. So we'll check for rule 3 first. Rule 3. So which is nothing but SOD by 3. SOD by 3. 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus x divisible by 3. Taking the following. So 3 plus 6 which is 9. 9 plus 5 14. 14. 14 plus 2 16. 16 plus x should be divisible by 3. So taking that after 16 the next number, let's take here x. If I put x is equal to 1, I'll get the number 17. So 16 plus 1. If I put x is equal to 2, I get the number 18. Okay. So subtracting with 3, I'll get the remainder here 0. So I have found the value. One value as x is equal to 2. We'll check for rule 11. Rule 11. Okay. So it is nothing but odd numbers minus even numbers. Odd digits minus even. 3 plus 4 plus 2 minus 1 minus 6 plus 1 plus x. So it's need to be getting either 0 or multiplications of 11. So on adding here, I'll get 7, 9 minus 7. So plus x. 6. So it should be either 0. Okay. What number if I add, I'll get the answer here. So I have found that x is equal to 2. Okay. So from this I can declare here also I'm getting the value 2. Here also I'm getting the value 2. So answer for this is going to be. Is it clear? Okay. So we'll go with the next question. So they have given you 1 2 4 5 dash 4 2 divisible by 11. We'll solve the following. Third question. They have given you 1 2 4 5 dash 42 divisible by 11. Okay. So writing the odd place number 1 plus 4 plus x plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1 plus 4 plus x plus 2 minus writing the even place numbers 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4. So solving this here, I will get the answers like 1 plus 5, 5, 7, 7 plus x. 11 plus x minus, so here I'll get the answer 11. So equating that, I'll get the x value as 4. Okay, so I found the value of x is going to be 4. So answer for this found at 4. Clear? Okay, so we'll go with the next thing. So look at the fourth question. 12875 is divisible by 8. The question they have given you 12875 dash divisible by 8. Solving this, we know the rule for 8 is going to be last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Okay. So here last 3 digits is 75x divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. Okay, 75x divisible by 8. So solving this divided by 8, I'll get 72. So I can say that 8 nines are 72. So 75 minus 72 gives me the answer 3. So the remaining digit is x. Okay. Solving that, the values like nearby 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, so 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. Okay. So which matches with 3x. So I found the value of x is going to be 2. Okay. So solving this, I have found the value of x is 2. From the second declare, the value of x here is going to be 2. So it's clear, right? Okay. So stepping with the next question. So answer for this 2. Okay. Which number is divisible by 6? Let's solve the following thing. Which number is divisible by 6? So solving this question. Which number is divisible by 6? So question number 5. We're asking you number divisible by 6. So we know the rule for 6 is nothing but it should satisfy the rule of 3 and 2. Taking the first option, they've given the number as 138. 130. So, so we know that rule 3 is only by 3. It's only by 3. So adding that 1 plus 3 plus 8. So we get the answer here. 1 plus 3 plus 8. So I'll get the answer 12. Adding this again 1 plus 2. Adding this again 1 plus 2, which gives me the result 3. It gives me the result 3. Okay. So from this I can declare I have got the answer 3. Checking with the rule 2, that also satisfied. Last digit is even. Last digit is even. Option A is possible, even though we will check for the remaining options. So look at the other options. So they have given 830, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 0, 11. So it's not possible. So 8 plus 2, 10, 9, 19 is not possible. 8, 2, 7, that is also not possible. So from this I can declare the answer for this option A, 138. Okay. Okay. So what they have mentioned. So from the following questions, we need to declare which number is divisible by, which is not divisible by 4. By looking at the question, we know the rule for 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. So 72 we'll get right. 72, which is nothing but 18 into 4, which gives you 72. 94, 40, 10 fours are 40, 16, 4 fours are 16. So this 94 is alone not satisfied, which I will get only 92. The remainder is going to be 2. So the answer for this is going to be 94. Okay. Okay. So look this. The question they have asked you that the smallest number to be added to 1000 so that divisible by 45. We'll solve the following thing. So they're asking for the smallest number to be added. The thing is that it should be divisible by 45 plus x, that's divisible by 45. Okay. Option A they have mentioned as 10. Okay. So 1000 plus 10 which gives me 1010. The rule for 45, so it is nothing but the rule for 45. 45 can be written as 9 into 5. 9 into 5. Okay. So I need to check for 9 and 5. Rule for 9, so I'll get the answer SOD by SOD by. Okay. So 1010 plus, add the following 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0, I'll get the result 2. So this condition is not possible. Not possible. We'll go with option B. Option B. B, they have given you the term 20. They have given you the term 20. So 1000 plus 20, which gives me the answer 1020. Again checking for rule 2, 1, rule 3, 1, I'm sorry, rule 9, 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0. If I add that, I'll get 3. Again, this is not possible. Take option C. So it is nothing but 1035. 1035. So adding this, I'll get the answer 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 5. So it's nothing but 9. Condition is satisfied. Possible. The last digit is also 5. The whole thing is satisfied. We'll check for the last option P. 10. They have given the thing 80. So which is nothing but 1080. Adding this 1 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0, which I will get the answer 9. This is also possible. But the question they have mentioned that what is the smallest number? So 1035. Okay. So on adding 35, I'll get the answer 1035. The smallest number which is divisible is going to be 35. Okay. So stepping with the next question, which of the following options is correctly divisible by 11 such that the following condition is satisfied? We'll check for the following things. We'll solve this option one by one. We'll solve the option one by one. Okay. So they have given you 107604. 107604. 107604. That is the thing they have mentioned. 107604. Writing the odd terms, 1 plus 7 plus 0, minus writing the even terms, 0 plus 6 plus 4. So solving this, I'll get 8 minus 10. It gives me the answer 2 minus 2. So which is not possible. Going with option B. Option B, they have given it as 9, 8, 6, 3, 7. So solving this, 9 plus 6 plus 7 minus 8 plus 3. Okay, so I'll get here 22 minus 11, it gives me the answer 11. So this is possible. So as already said here, I need to get the result as either 0 or multiplications of 11. So this is possible. Check with option C. So option C, so I'll get the answers like 116,571. So solving this, so 1 plus 6 plus 7 into 6 plus 7 minus 1 plus 5 plus 1. Solving this, 14 minus 7 gives me 7. Not possible. So the only thing matches is option B. So answer for this, option B. Okay. So we'll solve the last question. So last question is that which of the following options is completely divisible by 19? We'll solve the following thing. Taking the first option, 2 1 2 3 2 8. 2 1 2 3 2 8. So solving this, last question. 8 2 1 2 3 2 8. Okay. So we'll go with the thing. So we know that the rule for 19, we need to take the last digit. We need to multiply with 2. We need to get 16. Okay. The 16 need to be added with the remaining digits. 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 3 2 8. 2 1 2 3 plus 16 plus 16. We'll get the answer 2 1 2 4 8. 4 8. Taking the last digit into 2. I'll get the answer 16. So 2 1 2 4 plus 16 gives me the answer 2 1 4 0 4 0. Taking the last digit into 2, I'll get the answer 2 1 4. So 4 into 2, we get the answer 8. Adding with 2 1 plus 8, I'll get the answer 29. 29. So 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So 29 is not possible, right? Not possible. Uh, I'll check the option D, 149416. I'll check the option D, 149416. Solve that. 149416. Option D, they have mentioned it as 149416. Solving this, so 6 into 2 gives me the answer 12. 14941 plus 12. 14941 plus 12. I'll get the answer 14953. 14953. So taking the last digit 3 into 2, which gives me the answer 6. Which gives me the answer 6. So adding with the remaining digit 1495 plus 6, which is nothing but 1501. Taking last digit 1 into 2, I get the answer 2. So adding with the remaining digit 150 plus 2, get the answer 152. Okay. So 2 into 2, which gives me the result 4. Adding with the remaining digit 15 plus 4, I'll get the answer 19. Okay. So starting with the question, option D is the answer for this. Okay. So guys, thank you so much. I hope so. I have taught today divisibility rule, the concepts of divisibility rule. We have solved various questions in divisibility rule. Okay. So So to watch more videos, like, subscribe, and comment in our channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you.